Hey, what's up? This is my new to me 2021 Husqvarna 701 Supermoto. I just recently picked this up. If you saw my previous video, that was my MT-07. That was more or less just test footage to make sure my GoPros were set up. The previous owner did a few things to this bike, so I just wanted to go over them, brief specs, and then what my plans are for the bike. So he did a tail tidy and did this brake light with integrated signals. There's an on, and then obviously signals. Then he also has the FMF 4.1 titanium exhaust with the Tecmo titanium header. Other than that, the bike's stock. I guess it has the fuel dongle and stuff as well. I know that's like a big thing on these Supermotos. But yeah, so if you don't know anything about this bike, it is basically like a street legal dirt bike. It has 74.5 horsepower and 54 foot-pounds of torque. It's a 6-speed, has a built-in blipper, quick shifter. But yeah, my plans for it are all black plastics kit, so the bike will be murdered out, which is going to be so sick. Matte black graphics kit, so that'll look really clean. Then I have a blacked out headlight that has integrated turn signals, so that's really going to tie everything together as far as the overall look on this bike. But yeah, I just wanted to do like a welcome video to the channel and show you guys a little bit of what I love to do, which is ride motorcycles and put them together. I don't really have any plans of selling this bike. I think if I ever do get another bike, it'll be in addition to this. So feel free to stick around and get invested in the journey with me. I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, let's go for a little rip. This exhaust sounds amazing, so I'm really excited. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like. I'd appreciate it. If you want to stick around and see what I get up to, subscribe. And then, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. There's going to be a bunch of videos coming. So thanks so much for the support so far. I appreciate it. I'll see you next time.